Did you ever pretend as a kid a stick was a magic wand? What if I told you there's an excellent VR tool called a 3D pen that works much like a magic wand but for learning? In this video, I will highlight the 3D pen tool in the Engage app. The 3D pen is an excellent tool for learning and collaboration because it allows users to create 3D drawings that can be converted to objects that can be interacted with. Geometry teachers can use this tool to show the relationship of points, lines, and angles. Future architects can practice drawing buildings, and students can express themselves through art. Here's an example of how easy it is to use. With a simple flick of the wrist, I can select the 3D pen, select line thickness and colors. Next, I can begin drawing by moving my arm. Once I am satisfied with my creation, I can hit the check mark and my drawing now becomes an object that others can interact with. If I don't like the object, I can simply delete it from the virtual space. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more virtual reality learning content. Thank you for watching.